In this episode, we'll be making this delicious cake. But just a quick recap from the last episode. Oma and I flew to Saskatchewan to celebrate Thanksgiving. In this episode, I'm going to continue to bake and celebrate with Lori and Oma. All right, chef. What are we making today?
Today is chocolate truffle cheesecake with a ganache topping.
Her specialty. It's my favorite. It's to die for.
So I'm now making the crumb base layer. See if that's about right. Cake is better because there's going to be quite a few people there.
Of course. Your territory.
Nice and chocolatey now. It's all mixed together.
It smells really good.
All right, now we start with the cream cheese.
That's the best part.
I know, right?
And I noticed that you're using the spreadable cream cheese instead of like the block ones.
Yeah, it's just easier. It's the same thing basically, right? I think. I don't know. Just easier because you don't have to soften it. I always put my eggs in a container first. I just don't trust the eggs here.
Oh, really?
Because sometimes they're bad. You get bad ones.
That's true.
Yeah.
Smart.
I think if I'm gonna go to all this expense and I don't want to throw a bad egg and then have to,
Yeah.
Sometimes there's stuff in the bottom that hasn't mixed in. Bang it a few times to get out the air bubbles. Good.
And then we're gonna bake it now?
Watch out behind
Oma's examining.
I think I'll put this pan in just in case. Sometimes the butter comes through, you know, when you...
Oh.
And I don't want butter all over my clean oven.
Another tip.
Keeps a tablespoon of chocolate chips in the pantry, right?
Oma, look at my shirt.
Eh?
Look at my shirt. I got all of this. Yep.
And you weren't even baking the cake?
Yeah, I did absolutely nothing and I got it all over myself. I'm retarded.
That's good. Well, at least big enough.
Beautiful. Ooh.
Like, it's pretty perfect. It's just a tiny bit spongy. See, there is butter in the bottom, so it's a good thing I put that.
Good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good here. Butter.
If you've done it before, you know it has to be a little bit, not hard, it has to be a little bit spongy, I would call it, or a tiny bit soft. Well, you can't tell. A toothpick doesn't do anything. Well, for cheesecake. It's cheesecake one. Yeah, even with this added on, it's still thick. Higher.
Yeah.
That's good. It's already starting to, it's thickening a bit. I probably should have
warmed it up. That crunch.
It's very crunchy. It doesn't have to be that smooth because I'm going to put fruit on top. Yeah, I didn't buy any strawberries, so a few blackberries and raspberries and even blueberries. It just looks nice with the sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be fine with the fruit.
Yeah, I think so. So it's like 12 a.m. here, and I went downstairs to get another piece. I'm so embarrassed because I already ate a piece at noon for lunch, and I'm awfully afraid that they'll judge me. So that's why I'm eating in the room instead now. But it's that good. I'm gonna enjoy this and get fat. I'm in heaven. It's so good. You make this, you have to try it. And just a recap, the host made this cake and a whole lot of finger food for Uma's 92nd birthday. It was insane. It was like so good. There were all types of desserts, and there's like a gigantic charcuterie board that she made, and of course, like, this was the star for me. So yeah, go watch and let me know what you guys think. See you guys next time. Bye bye. Look at this. I'm such an idiot. I have to remove all these stains. I can't pick it up from this angle. I'm sorry. Brother. I tried. I'm sorry. Just trust me, it's really good.